Well, hello, vacay crew. Welcome aboard the MSC Seashore. Here we are to give you a nice room tour of our deluxe balcony. Stay tuned and see if this balcony is right for you. If you're interested in booking this, definitely reach out in the description below. We'd be happy to book this room for you or something similar for you. Let's get started. Welcome to Deck 11, Midship, Room 11136. All right, well, hello, everybody. Welcome to another room tour here on the beautiful MSC Seashore. Going to give you a tour of our balcony room here. This is room 11136, and it's pretty much a standard balcony here on Deck 11. And going to show you everything that this room features. And if you're interested in this room, definitely reach out to us down below with the description, and we'll be able to book this for you here on the beautiful MSC Seashore. All right, so coming in, here's the entrance right here. Normal, and you got your key card point here. It won't take any of the key card from the looks of it. I tried, so I'll keep trying experimenting with it. Otherwise, it'll turn off the power here in the room. Of course, you got your AC controls here. Try and set that to the coolest max that we can here, just because I like being cool. And of course, we got this set up as a king bed. This time around, it's just my wife and I. And you got your giant mirror here. Very different from anything other cruises that I've done before. You've got your closet space. Your safe right there all the way in the back, tucked away. And of course you got your closet. Plenty of space, especially for two people. Probably be okay with a family of four, most likely, just because of space. Definitely got more than that. You're probably going to need a bigger room. So kind of a nice look on this side. Very nicely decorated, very modern for sure. Looks like we got USB ports. Looks like on one side only. So that's going to be interesting. And of course here we got our TV. It's playing the safety demo right now. Got your plugs down here. Got USB, looks like USB-A plugs. You got your drawers. So plenty of drawer space. You got a chair down below here that you can use for the vanity. And of course your vanity right here. Your mini bar, which, let's take a look, is stocked. So obviously if you touch any of your stuff and you don't have any of the packages, you're probably going to have to pay for it. So keep that in mind. Especially tell the kiddos, don't start popping sodas and everything, especially if you didn't buy anything, because they're probably going to charge you, and I'm sure your credit card is on file. And here we come out here to our standard balcony. So here we are. Welcome to Port Canaveral. Pretty standard size. Obviously, it looks like if you book the rooms next door in a connecting balcony, you might be able to get these open. It just depends on what configuration you have. Obviously, that'll vary. But plenty of space here. Don't mind my wife doing her own tour as well. Go ahead and close this, otherwise the AC will turn off. And I don't like being hot. And we got our couch here. MSC's got something unique. Some of their couches actually turn into bunk beds. So it's a pretty cool feature that MSC has. I'll try and post some pictures if I find some of them. But great if you got smaller kiddos for sure. I don't know about teenagers. All right. And here we got La Pièce La Résistance. We got the bathroom. Of course, got your full-length mirror all around. Look at that. Go check yourself out. And you got a pretty nice shower with a glass enclosure. No curtain to hug you or touch you inappropriately when you're taking a shower. And it's a good way to keep the water out of the floor as well, because it just seems sometimes you take a shower and there's water everywhere.
Or your kids making a mess.
Or the kids, yeah. She's got a point. But all right, guys. Well, here we are. Hope you enjoyed this tour. If you're interested in booking this room or a room like this on the MSC Seashore, definitely reach out on the description below. If you like this video, like, subscribe, Comment if you have any questions, and we'd be glad to get a vacation started for you. We'll see you on the next one, and check out our ship tour.